गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। तो कुछ ऐसे होती है हमारे दिन की शुरुआत। ये रहे हमारे बंक बेड्स। ऑयल लगा रखा है मैंने, तो ब्रश वश कर लिया है अब मैंने। अब जाके हम थोड़े से कपड़े धोएंगे। गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। सो दिस इज़ हाउ माय डे स्टार्ट्स एट 7 AM। अभी अभी बस ने जस्ट छोड़ा ही है। So this is how it looks like in Galway city. The rain has just stopped. We are now heading towards the university, which is 2.5 kilometers for me from the bus stop. Let's go there. Before we go to the university, this is one of the changes I experienced. This is a single line road. There's no divider in the middle, and still these guys are waiting for the red light to go green. Unlike in India, where in Ireland, Galway, you can't just cross the roads if the light is red. You will have to press a button for it. Now when that light in the red, when it turns green, then we can cross the road on this path. You won't find the wooden scaffoldings to repair or build a house, just like in the back. There are all iron scaffoldings. There is nothing like wooden scaffolding. People here actually maintain the basic hygiene, and here is an example of that. Do you see those orange boxes outside every house? These are the boxes of trash and general food waste, everything. These are the boxes of trash. So these guys will just take all the trash on their own. People just keep it outside their house. It has started drizzling a bit, but the video won't stop, okay? बारिश में भी shoot करेंगे. So this is the way I always choose to go to the university. It is by the river. Have a look. So let's go to the other end of the river so that we can enter in the university. The university area is actually 2.5 kilometers in distance. And yes, बहुत सारी buildings हैं वहाँ पे. There is science and engineering building, arts and science building, Moyola building. So we will just have to give a complete walk around there. Let me show you. So here comes the end of the Upper Canal Road. This is the river I was walking by the side. Now we will enter the university. Like, the university starts here, guys. Enjoy the shots. So this area is all the parking lot, and that is the computer science building there. I'll show you in a minute. But this view, guys, that is just mesmerizing. And तुम्हें ये देखना चाहिए. The river down there. Let's go there. So here we are. Just look at this. So here comes our first building, human biology building, and by the side of this building we have our Bailey's Ellen Hall. I will just show you in a minute. This is the main hall where every conference and events are often going on. Let me show you. This is just a sitting area here, and students can chill out on those benches. साइकिल्स भी रखी हुई हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चे साइकिल पे ही आते हैं. Actually most of the students come here from cycles. One of the most amazing things I've ever seen. These are pods, and you'll just have to tap your student ID here, and then this thing will open up you. So just for the students, and you guys can just have a meeting. So there we come. This is the Bailey's Ellen Hall. Let's go in. This is how it looks like here. University of Galway. That's the corridor area. Actually, I'm too early today, so no one is here. Good for us. I will show you the hall. ये वाला hall है जिसमें सारी events, conferences होते हैं. अभी कोई भी नहीं है. बहुत शांत है ना. So this is the registration building, guys. If any student is planning to come to Galway, University of Galway, the first day he will have to visit here. Registration desk. Here you will get all your student IDs and the signed registration A4 size sheet where you will have your address listed. The bus you're seeing there is one of the universities. This bus is actually just for the students. No other person can ride on it. This will just give you a walk around the university if you like to. I prefer walking. Let me show you some parking rates here. There is no person who can just give you the slip for parking a car here, but there's just a machine. Paid parking, hourly rate 1.5 euros, daily rate 10 euros. So that is how it is right now. Guys, we actually found all the cars here. i30 Tesla. It's charging as of now. So yes, being in a university, you won't find just classrooms here. You will find a riverside, a pool, a gym, although it's paid. But yes, there is a lot more just than attending the classes here. You won't be bored at all. All you need is just a little more time for yourself to catch up with all those things, because the assignments are really important here. 90% of the grades are calculated per your assignments. Just look at the view. No swimming. So yes, यहाँ पे boats भी चलती हैं. पीछे boat ही है. You guys can have a look. But that is paid. So that is the Bank of Ireland. And if you keep walking straight, मेरा classroom आ जाएगा. Let's go there. So we are about to reach the classrooms. And just wanted to tell you, you won't find trees always green here. So this is the Hardiman building. This is the library basically. यहाँ पे pharmacy भी उसके बीच में ही है. सब कुछ है इस university में. This is the area in front of the library. If the benches are not too wet, you guys can sit there. No one will say anything to you. वो रही हमारी लाइब्रेरी. Yes, after walking after 20-25 minutes, here we go. The lecture hall is in front of me. चलो पढ़ाई करें. So here comes the Arts and Science building. आज lecture hall यहाँ है. Let's get there. You see guys, classes are over now. It was about 6 hours of classes for today. Tuesdays काफ़ी busy जाते हैं यहाँ मेरे. तो that's it for today. मिलते हैं next time.